I'm Dave Chanda, President and CEO of RBFF. Registration is now open, and I'm officially inviting you to RBFF's 2025 State Marketing Workshop being held on February 24th to the 26th in Baltimore, Maryland. The agenda for the workshop, themed Casting Connections, Retaining, Engaging, and Inspiring Today's Anglers and Boaters, is already packed with numerous topics. We encourage all states to send 2 representatives to this conference. I'd love to see your agency's assistant director overseeing recruitment, retention, and reactivation efforts attend, as well as your marketing or communications director. I also encourage each state agency director to attend and engage in discussions with RBFF and your fellow state agencies. I know as a former Fish and Wildlife Director and past AFWA President, I just know how busy your schedule can be. But I always make time to attend this workshop and never left the meeting without an idea I could implement in my home state, even when budgets were tight. As a result, I was able to reach a broader demographic and enhance my agency relevancy. So to entice you to attend, I will cover the cost of travel for 2 state employees plus you as the director. We'll also learn more about state agency R3 successes, RBFF's churn research, artificial intelligence, engaging broader audiences, consumer marketing trends, and so much more. Last year, we held the R3 Expo for the first time. It was a huge hit. As a result, this year, we plan to make it bigger and better. So what are you waiting for? Register today. RBFF can't wait to welcome you to our workshop that supports your efforts to advance fishing and boating across the country. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.